Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm here with another gorgeous Indian bridal eye makeup tutorial, and for today's look I have created this ox blood and neon green half cut crease eye look. I think this is a very pretty and unique color combination. I really liked it, and along the way I'll be sharing with you so many tips and tricks to achieve perfect cut crease in case you have hooded eyes too. Before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Neeta. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos here on my channel. If those things interest you, then please consider subscribing. It will mean a lot to me, and if you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, without further blabbering, let's get started. First, I'm taking my Wet n Wild Incognito concealer in the shade Soft Honey, and I'm priming my eyelids. At the same time, I am cleaning up the borders of my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. I like to use this concealer as my eyeshadow base because it is not too creamy, it is not too drying at all. The consistency is just right in between and it works perfectly well for my eyeshadow base. I'm blending it out using my Wet n Wild sponge. This is a damp sponge, by the way. Now I am taking my Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 15 Light, and I am just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. I am applying these eyeshadow shields that I got from Amazon. I will mention the purchase link in the description box down below. And for my eyes, first I am taking this beautiful blood red shade. This is kind of an ox blood red shade, very unique, not a maroon, not a true red, kind of like an ox blood red shade, and I am applying it as my crease color. And I have hooded eyes, so I am building a new crease for myself, and taking little by little product I am slowly building it up so that there is no patchiness. And the eyeshadow palette that I am using is Beauty Bay Earthy eyeshadow palette. Beauty Bay recently released 3 eyeshadow palettes, Midnight, Earthy and Berries. I have already shared with you a tutorial using my Midnight palette and a tutorial using my berries palette, so do not forget to check them out. Now, taking a clean blending brush, I am just blending out the edges of the previous shade to create a gradient effect. I haven't taken any extra product on the brush. This is just a clean brush, and I'm just blending out the edges using the clean brush. I'm applying the same red shade one more time because I felt like I lost the intensity during the blending process. Since I will be cutting my crease, I need my crease to be extra dark and defined. I am applying the same color on my outer V area as well. This will act as a base for the next shadow that I'll be applying. Now, taking a matte black shade from the Earthy palette, I am applying it on the outer V area just to have a little more smokiness, a little more depth on my outer V area. And again, I'm just slowly building it up to avoid any kind of patchiness. It's time to cut the crease, and for that I am using this lip brush from Puna store, and I am placing the concealer a little bit higher than usual because I have hooded eyes, and I am first marking the area where I want to place my cut crease, and then I will reapply my concealer again. And these eyeshadow palettes, you guys, these are bomb degree and these are very affordable at the same time. So in case you can get this eyeshadow palette, just do get them. These are so good. These are pigmented. The shimmers, oh my god, they are special. They are very metallic, very foiled, easy to apply at the same time. I highly recommend you getting these eyeshadow palettes. These are really breathtaking. Now I'm just reapplying the concealer. Now I'm just diffusing the border of the concealer so that blending becomes easier later on. This step is again really important, otherwise there will be a noticeable demarcation between the lid shade and the outer V area shade. Now I am taking lime. It is a beautiful lime green, neon lime green shimmer shade, and I'm applying it all over on my eyelid. And you can see this shade is so foiled and metallic, and they are very soft. Now I am taking this yellow gold shade from the palette, and I decided to apply it on the inner part of my eyelid, and at the same time I am blending it out with the lid shade. And taking that red shade, I am applying it between the shimmer shade and the matte black shade, just to tie the look together and just to create a nice smooth gradient look. Taking the same red shade, I am applying it on the border of my cut crease, just to make my cut crease look even prominent and crisp. This step is again important. You can see the difference it instantly made. Like, it instantly made the cut crease look so much more defined. In case you do not want to use any glitter eyeliner on the border of your cut crease, make sure to follow this step. Now I'm just drawing a wing using my Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel eyeliner, and for that I'm using this eyeliner brush from Morphe. Whenever I am like drawing a wing on top of glitter or intense shimmer, I like to use an eyeliner brush, because that way it doesn't become streaky. If you use a felt tip eyeliner, then the chances of making it a little streaky will be high. And now I am tightening my eyes using my Milani Stay Put eyeliner in the shade After Dark. This is basically a matte black cudgel pencil. And for my lower lash line, I am keeping it really simple and just smudging out my entire lower lash line using that matte red shade. And I am making my lower lash line as smoky as possible. That way my eyes will look wider and bigger. Now I am highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corner using my Maybelline Molten Gold highlighter. And I am elongating the eyeliner on my inner corner, just so that my eyes look bigger. And I like to follow this step after applying my inner corner highlighter. I'm curling my lashes with my eyelash curler, and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Essence Lash Princess Volume Mascara. And I quickly applied falsies off camera. These are my Kiss lashes in the style Midnight, and here is the final eye look. How stunning is it? It is very unique, and I really liked the way it turned out. Please let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section down below. And I have been uploading a lot of YouTube shorts. Do not forget to check them out. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description box down below. So please go ahead and check that out. And yeah, please do subscribe, like, comment, and see you soon in my next tutorial. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.